In this video, let's understand how Six Sigma benefits organizations. Let's understand that Six Sigma uses project by project improvement approach. So you have a problem, you have an issue, you have a concern, you take that as a project and you solve that problem, you solve that issue. So you have a project, you finish that project and you achieve some benefits out of that. In Six Sigma, the project selection is tied to organizational strategy. So you don't just pick any project. So you have a problem, you don't just pick any project, because if you look in your organization, there could be hundreds or thousands of places where you can make improvement. But you don't make improvement on all those things together. What you need to do is you need to select the project, you need to select the problem which is tied to your organizational strategy. And when I say organizational strategy, that needs to be focused on customer, what customer wants, what customer requires from the organization, what is going to help customer. So your projects are most of the times focused on what customer wants. And the second subject on which your projects are focused on is profits. So you look at two places. One is the customer focus, second is the profit. Most of your projects will be related to these two aspects. So that is how Six Sigma helps organization in selecting the right projects. Second aspect here is that the project benefits are tied to the financial reporting. So any project you do, that has to be tied to what money, what savings we achieved. So any project needs to be tied to financial numbers, because that is the language which management understands. So whatever project you do, you need to demonstrate that how much did that save in terms of money. Whatever project you do, whether you do project related to customer satisfaction, whether you do project related to defect reduction, whether you do any project for making a process faster, whatever project you do, but end of the day, you need to tie that project to the financial numbers. That's another benefit of Six Sigma, that it helps in connecting improvement with the financial numbers, and that's the language management understands. In Six Sigma, you have a full-time black belt. So you have a person whose full-time job is improvement, whose full-time job is Six Sigma projects. So in Six Sigma, you have black belts which are full-time, but then below them you have green belts or yellow belt. Yellow belt, that's the course you are doing. Green belt and yellow belts are part-time responsibilities, but black belt is a full-time responsibility. So there is an ownership. A black belt has to do, let's say, 3 to 4 projects every year, each of those leading to, let's say, $1 million benefit. So there is a requirement for black belt to meet certain objectives. That helps organizations achieve the financial gains from Six Sigma projects. In Six Sigma, we do have a recognition and reward system established. So you do a project and then you are recognized for that. The team is recognized for that. The financial benefits are recognized. So that's another way which motivates people to be part of this Six Sigma project, because there is a recognition tied to that. Some of the organizations, let's say General Electric, at the time when they started Six Sigma, when they started implementing Six Sigma, they had a requirement that anyone promoting to the level of manager need to have a certain level of Six Sigma belt. Let's say you need to be a black belt to be promoted as manager. So there was a recognition system, there was a reward system which was connected to Six Sigma achievements. Six Sigma helps in achieving sustained success. And when I say sustained success, that means repeated success, time over time. So let's look at a project. You had a problem, you had a high repair rate, you did a Six Sigma project on that, the repair rate has come down now. What does this mean is that the benefits which you are getting from this project is not a limited time benefit. It's not something that you did a project and you got benefit out of that. What you are getting is a sustained benefit, repeated benefits, year after year, month after month, day after day. That benefit will keep on repeating. So Six Sigma gives you a sustained success model. So these are some of the benefits which Six Sigma provides.